So over here on the right hand side, you can see that I have a video, and this video has audio with it as well. Sometimes what you may want to do is edit out audio separately from the video. So in that case, what you can do is you can simply separate out the audio track from the video and edit it individually as well. So to do that, all you need to do is right click on the video clip right here, and you can see that separate audio is an option. If you were to go around and click on it, then what happens is that this is what you have, as you can see. So this is the audio from the video right here. The audio is not here anymore, and there's this audio, and now you can move as if it is a separate audio and then edit it out as you like right here, just like this. And that is how you can separate out audio from video tracks inside of CapCut desktop editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.